friends. Today we're going to do a really fun art project. We're studying the sea life animal octopus. And so we're going to do a crayon resistance octopus picture. So you need some tools. You need a piece of paper, you need crayons, and you need some paint, some blue paint. You can use watercolor paint, which is what I'm going to use. You can use puff paint. You can use tempera. If you do use these, you have to water them down, which means you have to put a lot of water and a few drops of paint so it's real liquidy and runny. So have your mom and dad help you with that. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to get my clipboard and we're going to draw a scene from the ocean. So I'm going to take an orange and I'm going to go over to the right side of my paper and I'm going to draw the head of the octopus. And we've studied that it has 8 arms. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you need to color it in. And I want you to color kind of dark. We want it to be nice and dark so we can see this beautiful octopus through the blue paint. Okay. All right. And when we're finished with that, we're going to add some details to this guy. All right. So I'm going to take my black and I'm going to draw 2 dark black eyes. Push firmly, and then make a smile, and then draw little circles where his suction cups. And again, it has to be dark. You can't color lightly. All right, I'm going to take my brown and draw the bottom of the ocean. That's called the floor of the ocean. So draw some brown sand down at the bottom. Okay, nice and dark. And if I'm going too fast, then just pause this. Then I'm going to get some green and I'm going to draw some seaweed or kelp. This is a plant that grows in the bottom of the ocean. Just some wiggly, squiggly lines like that. Okay. And then I want to draw a school of fish, a group of fish. So up here, make a little circle and then make a triangle tail, and you have to color it in. Make it dark. Make about 4 or 5 of those fish. And they don't have to be purple. You can make your fish any color that you'd like. Because fish come in all different colors. All right. And then let's add a little clam down here. Can you see that? And then a half circle, some lines. And how about a starfish over here? There's 5 arms. It's really hard to color up and down like this, but you get the right idea. Colored in nice and dark. And then at top, I'll take my blue and I'll draw the waves of the ocean. I can make some bubbles coming out of the octopus. Okay? All right, so this is the cool part. We're going to take our blue paint, like I mentioned before, and you're going to color over the top of everything that you've just drawn. So I'm going to use watercolor. You also, Shelter mentioned, need a cup of water when you're using watercolor. So I'm going to take my paintbrush and I'm going to go right over the top of what I've just colored. You see that? I'm going to go right over the top of the octopus, right over the top of the clam, right over the top of the fish. And what's happening is the paint is resisting or it's not sticking to the crayon. So the crayon shines through. Now this is pretty light blue, but you get the right idea. There. See that? Isn't that fun? It's beautiful. So I want you to have fun with your crayon resistance art project. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I want to see it on Friday if you had a chance to make one. All right. Bye-bye.